Selamat sejahtera total. My name is Tokaing. I come from Group 5. Now I want to start my presentation. My part is to present background of Toyota, competitive advantage and objective of assignment. First is background of Toyota. Toyota is a Japanese car manufacturer. The founder is Kimjiro Toyota. Toyota is the largest enterprise in Japan, and it also the 9th largest company in the world. Hinomoto, Daihatsu, Lexus, and the Scion brands, these three brands is under the Toyota. The second is competitive advantage. Toyota use many strategy to strengthen their company. This strategy have become their competitive advantage. Three of each are feasibility, time, and cost. The next is objective. We choose this title is because we want to get complete understanding of the company of Toyota. We also want to study the factor that control business and organization management in improving the performance of a Toyota company. That is my present. Next part will be my team member to present. Thank you.
Thanks for the presentation by Tokai. My name is Tan Yusin. I'm from Group 5. Now I want to present the Toyota recalls incident in 2009 and 2010. The first question is who are engaged and responsible in the process. In my opinion, the person who is engaged and responsible in the process is Akio Toyoda, the CEO of Toyota Motor Corporation. In January 2010, he publicly stated that it was his personal responsibility. He will be responsible to solve the problem and apologize for any distress caused to consumers. The second question is, why does this happen? The Toyota recalls incident proved the failure of Toyota. Toyota began to set up factories in 5 states in the US in the late 1980s. But around 2005, it began to increase production and develop large-scale expansion plans to meet growing demand. Because of his hasty ambition, Toyota developed a problem coordinating just-in-time arrivals from its suppliers and maintaining deep technical ties with those suppliers. In addition to this, Toyota's problems also come from a number of sources, such as bureaucracy, overconfidence, weak management, and radiation. The third question is, where does this happen? Because of a traffic accident caused by the foot pad stuck on the accelerator handle, Toyota decided to recall a large number of vehicles in San Diego, California in the late of September 2009. The final number of vehicle recalls reached 4.26 million in the US and 6.1 million in Canada and the rest of the world. The second recall was due to a slow return or sticky accelerator pedal. The affected accelerator pedal was used on vehicles in US, Canada, China, and Europe, and a total of 4.44 million vehicles were recalled worldwide. The third recall is due to the third generation Pure brake problem because of the ABS control program observed in Japan. A total of 440,000 automobiles have been recalled worldwide. These extra recalls have caused people to question the quality of Toyota, which has also damaged its reputation.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Usman Affan from Group 5. We'll present about Toyota company. So the Toyota company is facing some problem in their model. The first problem is two main mechanical issue in some Toyota automobile, which is located at throttle pedal that get caught and interferes with unsuitable ground mat. The second mechanical issue in some throttle pedal may have automatically maintain the pedal in partly down position. So the solution that Toyota take is Toyota company recall all the related automobile and help to pay the liabilities related to manufacturer recall and make a conference with the claim. Next, since the company been recalling the manufacturer car, some customers have shift their interest from Toyota over others manufacturers in the marketplace. The solution that taken by Toyota company is Toyota advertising and marketing team has adopted a range of advertising technique to alter mindset of customer. The company embraced a range of advertising initiatives from TV and radio advertising.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Amira Azim binti Akbar, a first year student of Btmu, and my matrix number is B062110468. So, for the impact of the suggested business solution, we found that not all problems have been solved. This is because, despite all the solutions explained by Afan just now, it is known that Toyota had taken a total loss of $4.2 billion and having their customers doubting in their products. Lastly, it can be concluded that all the problems faced by Toyota have become the major cause of the gross domestic product for Japan to drop during the years. However, despite all that, Toyota is now one of the largest companies in the world and also leading in the automobile industry. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Syafiqah Febianti binti Sukandi. I'm from BTMM Section 1 and my matrix number is B062110094. In this section, I would like to discuss the planning and organization of Toyota Motor Corporation. First of all, it is about planning. Here I will discuss the two steps of the strategic planning process in Toyota's business operation, which include mission and vision and SWOT analysis. Toyota's mission is to make ever better cars to build a future where everyone has the freedom to move. And the vision of Toyota is Toyota will lead the future mobility society enriching life around the world with the safe and most responsible ways of moving people. Through our commitment to quality, ceaseless innovation and respect for the planet, we strive to exceed expectation and be rewarded with a smile. We will meet challenging goals by engaging the talent and passion of people who believe there is always a better way. Before setting long-term objectives, a business must examine its strengths and weaknesses about the opportunities and threats it confronts. This analysis is commonly referred to SWOT analysis. So here I will explain to you about SWOT analysis of Toyota. As for strength, and Toyota have three strengths. First, largest automobile industry in Japan and become the second largest automobile industry in the world. Second, managed to make a name itself in the world and is a well-known brand. Third, diverse list of products to make it easier for its customer to choose based on their taste as well as abilities based on their lifestyle. W is for weakness. Toyota have three weaknesses. First, a worldwide recall of their products in 2019, about 20 million vehicles. 2. Hierarchical organization structure. 3. Confidently in the organization. O for opportunities. So, opportunities in Toyota have 3. First of all is promise to be an eco-friendly company and get help from the surrounding groups to promote their products. Second, invest in solar energy by following the trend of electric cars or hybrid cars. Third is be an innovator by building a future prototype city. T for threats. First, Toyota has to compete with other well-known companies to produce the latest models and technologies. Second, customer service and product feature must be streamlined to meet new standards. Third, the consumption of expensive goods but the price of the output must be low. 4. The market and shrinking margins that will affect the financial status of the company. Okay, now I would like to discuss leading of Toyota Motor Corporation. Toyota have their own leadership in their company. First, Toyota has its leadership force, where Toyota's leadership capital is to provide this teamwork, consensus, and collaboration. Second, a leader will be removed from the company quickly when his or her weaknesses or limitation harm the organization in some way. Third, Toyota will always put its organization, employees, and customers first.
Thank you, my previous member, for the presentation. My name is Siti Norfazia Hanu. My matric number is B06211039. My part is to explain about organization and controlling. Organization is support corporate goals and strategic direction as one the world leading automobile manufacturers. They have a three organization that they use to their company is global hierarchy, geographic division, and product-based division. Global hierarchy is the making power of regional and business unit heads within the existing organization structure. While geographic division is Toyota has a 8 geographic division in organization structure. Because of this, Toyota organization structure improve product service and market. And example include the Japan, China, Europe, and Asia. Product-based division, Toyota organization structure facilitates the creation of brand and products line. Now we are moving to controlling. Controlling, Toyota Motor Corporation Ltd becomes primarily assess mission certification quality control by using the classification factory as model factory. They have two systems that they are produced to their company is just in time and Jidoka. Just in time is manufacturing is about improving and coordinating each product, while Jidoka is way for promptly recognizing and fixing error. That's all from me. Thank you. Now I will pass the video to my friend.
The conclusion is Toyota is a well-known multinational company all around the world, especially in Asian countries. This is because Toyota is a Japanese automobile manufacturer and the main branch of Toyota is Japan. Furthermore, Toyota is the top company in the automobile market. This is due to Toyota work together in purpose to achieve their objective with all the customer, employees, and more. Moreover, Toyota applies the effective management tools and methods for the growth of the company. For example, Toyota have been published their eco-friendly vehicles in 2016 something. Toyota is the first automobile manufacturer company that launched first electric car, or as well known as a hybrid car, in Asian countries. Besides that, Toyota also launches many types of car according to customer needs. For example, Toyota Welfare. Toyota Welfare is a more to a family vehicle, and other than that, Toyota Vios. The Toyota Vios is for the personal use of a fresh graduate or individual. Due to this idea, Toyota managed to impress the customers for buying Toyota models car for the past few decades. In short, Toyota have a successful strategy. In their earlier growth course, the company becomes one of the well-known brand and the top automobile manufacturer for the past decades. Thank you.